What's up, you guys? My name is 𝙁𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙧. For those who don't know me, I specialize in e-commerce. I own my own company that sells on Amazon Prime and other e-commerce platforms such as eBay. Today I want to talk to you guys about ways that you could start traveling for free. It's not that hard. I'm currently here in Bangkok, Thailand at the end of my vacation. Just one day here, then I go back home to Miami. But this whole trip was pretty long. It was a 3-week vacation. First time solo traveling, was super sick. Did Muay Thai training and everything. But not to get too much off topic, I want to show you guys how you yourself can start traveling for free or nearly traveling for free. So it's super simple, but the steps you're going to have to take, and you're going to have to be disciplined when doing this. So the first thing you have to do is you have to build up your credit score. You have to have a good credit. My credit's around maybe 750, 760-ish. I haven't checked in a while, but it's pretty good. But you just have to have a pretty decent credit for this to work. So make sure to have good credit, pay off your cards, and a good app that I actually use, Credit Karma. I actually have it. It'll tell you how much your credit will increase depending on how much debt you pay off that month. So it's a really good calculator, really good like little tool to have, and it'll show you guys your credit, and it's free. You might as well take advantage of it. So after you have good credit, you're gonna wanna sign up to good credit cards. This is how you'll start traveling for free, or basically traveling nearly for free. What I do is I look for credit cards like this one, for example. This one is spend $3,000 within the first 3 months and get $500 in travel credit, or $500. So what I do exactly is I use these cards for my business. And you start racking up more points because these cards have points. So like after I was done using this card, I had about $800 in travel credit. So I used that for this trip basically, and I was able to pay off the airfare just off a card like this, So just be smart with it, and the $3,000 I paid it off within the first month to not accumulate interest. That's what you have to be smart with. If you do this, you have to be disciplined. You can't just spend $1,000 on anything. Be smart, be wise with it. Spend it on something that you would already spend it on, and have the cash for it just to pay it off. So then you could have the $500 to $800 in credit and use it. There's so many credit cards that actually have the same similar sign-up bonus. $500 is really good. They're still making money off you because the average person does not pay off a credit card. So if you just do this and you're not disciplined and you just want to do the minimum payment, it's not going to work out. You're going to have interest and you're going to just be lazy with it. If you do it right the first time. Pay off the $3,000 as soon as possible. Have the $500 to $800 to travel. And then after you use that, you could just close a card. And you could just keep going with cards and other cards. I did this with about 3 cards. If I like the card, I'll keep it open. If I don't like it, I'll just close it. And then the cool thing about these cards is that if after 2 years of closing it, you can reopen it again and do the same thing again. You could usually read fine print, agreement print on it. It's usually like 2 years. You're gonna spend $3,000 regardless, so just be disciplined with it and use these cards. I'll recommend all the cards that I actually use. I'll put it in a link down below. I was able to basically travel these 3 weeks for free almost. Their airfare is the most expensive part from Miami to Thailand. And then when I went from Thailand, I went to Thailand to Bali, which was epic. Going to these third world countries, it's super cheap. Like Thailand is crazy cheap, and then Bali's even cheaper. This was the first time I ever went to Bali. I took a 45 to 50 minute taxi from the airport to the hotel, and I used GoJet as the app, and it was only $5. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button below, right there. It'll just take 5 seconds of your time. Just hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and thank you guys so much for taking your time for watching this. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.